The guy who inspired me to drive 8.6s, that's Katsuhiro Ueno. I saw him win at Irwindale in 2003 live. I had just had a pretty stock S13 at the time, drove it down from Seattle to LA, and I saw that happen in person. It shocked me. I changed cars as soon as I got home. Started driving 8.6s. Panic Grand Prix round 2. This year I have this 87 Corolla SR5. Obviously not an SR5 anymore. This is the company demo car now. It has everything we make for the Corolla is in this car. So it's 3SGE Beams engine, like most people here. It's a Link ECU, our harness for the Link ECU, plug and play to the 8.6. Got 52mm ITB kit that we also make. It has our upgraded axles for the GTS rear end. This is sort of a street car inspired thing. Of course it has a lot of stickers, but the build is pretty simple. Like, I don't have adjustable suspension arms, just hardened bushings and stuff. This has carpet, has a back seat. It has a cage, but it's a bolt-in. This is something that's pretty attainable for like most of the people here, or people who want to try to get into this kind of thing. Factory 83 designed the livery. I mean, when you know these cars inside and out, it's interesting what you get excited about. Like a friend of mine, he 3D printed an emblem for the front of the car, if you look at this. It's the font that the Terreno emblem is in, like from Toyota. And that's like a 3D printed hard badge. Like our go-to ECU in most of the cars here, they're all Corollas and Beams, stuff like that, is the Link MonsoonX. Like the balance of features and what you get, not just for the price, but like the capabilities are super well matched for this kind of car, right? So we designed the harness product around the Link to make it a perfect fit for this. I don't even know if it's possible with like other ECU options. So it was like, we've been working with Link for so long, and with other chassis, we've sort of had the same strategy where we'll find the appropriate ECU, build a harness platform around that to use as our base. Most if not all of our builds are custom, but there's sort of a philosophy behind all of them, and that is paired with the Link, and they all work together.